These kind of motivational YouTube shorts, TikTok video and Instagram reels are going viral these days and getting millions of views from these platforms and earning a passive income from these platforms. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to create these motivational style short-form videos with the help of AI. Let me show you what kind of videos these are and learn why these videos are getting more views.
What your life would look like if you hit every goal that you have.
If you don't control your mind,
I'm the type of person that sticks around longer than I should. But once I'm gone, I'm not coming back.
A wise man once said, hate has 4 letters, but so does love. Enemies have 7 letters, but so does friends. Lying has 5 letters, but so does truth. Cry has 3. Before you laugh at your parents for not knowing how to use a phone or other thing, don't.
As you can see, these videos are made up of AI voice over and using eye-catching footage. As you can see, using good-looking footage, AI voice over and background music. That's all you need to do. Now let's start our video. I am dividing this video in 3 parts. In the first part, we will create motivational quotes with the help of AI. And in second part, we will add free footages and voiceover for our video. And at the last, we will do some editing and make it eye-catching and engaging. I will provide the prompts and links of all the stuff which is used in my video, so you can approach them easily. Open ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create 20 quotes on life, love, and getting success, and make them little bit longer and in simple English. As you can see, it has created quotes, but I want to make them a little bit longer. Now I ask ChatGPT again to add a second part to our quotes. It's just to make our video duration longer. You can use these kinds of prompts to increase your video's length according to your need. And now this result is fulfill my requirements. Once you have created your quotes now, we must add voiceover and footage to our quotes. For this, I am using Fleeky.ai. This is the best website where you can get free stock footage and voiceover. Once you have created your account, you will find such a page from here. Click on New File, and then name your project, and then click on Submit. And here you have to paste your first quote, and then click on this plus button to create more scenes. And from here, cut you part and make as many scenes as you want, as I am doing. Make different scenes for each line. Once you have done with all your scenes, now first you have to disable subtitles from here, and then click on Setting and select Gap between scenes. 0.2 is best for these kinds of videos. And then select your aspect ratio. Then click on Save, and then click on Apply to similar layers from here, and then Apply. Now click here to add voiceover. Select Mail Form here, and then select any of these free voice, as I am choosing Davis. Just click on Name and check this Apply, this voice to all the voiceover box, and then click on Select. And finally, we must add video footage. Click on Layout button from here, and then select any of this footage, or you can also search specific from here. From here you will find a huge variety of footage for free. Just click on any of these to add it to your project. And do the same process for all your other scenes. You can search videos according to your voice over and quotes. Till then, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Once you are done with that now, it's time to make our last scene a little bit longer when our voiceover ends, and then we will release some extra music. For this, click on this More button and then click Custom Duration and then add 6 to 7 seconds duration and then click on OK. Now our video is ready. Now we just must edit it a little bit and add subtitles and a sound. Click on the download form here and then start export. Then start. And from here, click on download file and our video is downloaded. Now we must add subtitles and sounds and do some editing. For this I am using CapCut editing software. This is the best open source software to edit your videos for free. Click on New Project, and from here you have to add a copyright-free sound and your video we have just created. First, add your sound to your timeline, and then add your video and adjust your video where beats start, and delete the extra sound. Now let's add subtitles.
Life is a journey where every step counts, and the beauty lies not just in reaching the destination but in embracing the moments that shape us along the way. Embrace the challenges, for they are the stepping stones towards growth.
Click on Texts from here, then click on Auto Captions, then click on Create. And after some loading, as you can see that our captions are created. From here you can increase the size of your texts. If you click on Captions, you can break your line into more parts, so it will be easy to add some visible words at a time. Then click on Text again to make our words more visible. And then check this background box. Select your color and decrease its capacity to 50%. You can also add shadows to your text to make it more amazing. Then select the style of your fonts from here, and then drag your text in the middle of your screen like this. Now check it once how it looks like.
Life is a journey where every step counts, and the beauty lies not just in reaching the destination but in embracing the moments that shape us along the way. Embrace the challenges, for they are the stepping stones towards growth. Remember, it's the experiences you gather that make the voyage unforgettable.
It's better than first. You can make more effort to make it more amazing. Now, let's add some adjustments to make it look aesthetic. I will provide the links of these LUTs in the description. Let's check it again after adding adjustments.
Life is a journey where every step counts, and the beauty lies not just in reaching the destination but in embracing the moments that shape us along the way. Embrace the challenges, for they are the stepping stones.
Now click on Export, enter file name, select video quality, frames per second, and then click on Export, and your video is started exporting. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.